Hello everyone, welcome back here. This is Dr. Archana Pandey and I hope you're doing great and safe at home. I'm here to introduce one of the most recent favorite brand of this Swiss, which is a Melbourne Australian based company which I am recently obsessed with. Those who follow me on Instagram, they might have seen my reels, like I have been using these products nowadays. So I thought of sharing my reviews regarding their few of them products what I am using currently. So first product, that is the micellar water. This is their range which is having the cucumber extracts. It is one of the, I can say, the best you can say the makeup remover I have ever used till now. As you can see here how it simply swatches and simply, and the consistency what it shows off is the liquid one. As you can see, it's a simple liquid which has an extract of cucumber, and the quantity what we have is the 300 ml. And if we see the pricing, it is 899. So accordingly, if we go for some Indian like Garnier or some other one, the same pricing is there, but this is really good. Now if we talk about the ingredients, it is having the water, it has glycerine, it has the cucumber extract, then it has citric acid, sodium citrate, but it is like really very light and gentle, and it helps in removing all the makeup, other dirts, impurities, even the waterproof makeup is removed. Then next product what I have is there the bamboo skin this is the second product, that is the bamboo skin refining exfoliator. Like those who are not into the physical, you can say the chemical exfoliants, this is a type of the scrub. Like if you might have seen, like if I'll just show you, like if you can see, it has little tiny particles, if it's visible, right? So it is you can say it is good for this physical scrubbing, like those who have not been used to the chemical scrubs till yet. And simply you have to just massage it. All the clips I'll be adding next here, how you have to use it. So it is simply you have to take it on a small amount, a pinch of it, and then you have to simply massage in a circular motion, and then you have to rinse it off. And it is not even drying, as well as it is safe. It is not tested on animals, don't have any chemicals, preservatives, nothing. So it is really good, so you can give it a try. I just loved it, and just going to be good for oily and combination skin. One of the best thing I like about them, like they mention all the details on their packaging. Like if you can see, it is good for oily combination skin. If I'll talk about this skin micellar water, it is also having the label. So that is one of the good options they are giving for choosing us. Third product what I use there is their cleanser. Like it is the Monaco's honey cleanser. It is like a somewhat face wash type, you can say. So simply you have to take a small amount, like a normal face wash, and then massage it, and it will help in removing all the dust, all the impurities and everything. So it is sulfate free, it is paraben free, it is petroleum free, everything. Fragrance is really good. It has the goodness of honey, also has the goodness of vitamin C and the papaya extracts. And we all know that papaya are good as known for the anti-pigmentation, whereas vitamin C is a good antioxidant which will help in rejuvenating our skin. And the quantity what I'm talking is 120 ml, and you'll get it around 6799 is the price. And all the details I'll be adding in the description, so if you want to purchase it off, you can purchase. And the last product, that is their moisturizer. So actually this is the same variant, this is the cleanser, this is the moisturizer, and it is also really good. Like if you apply it once, like if I'll just show you, you can see the thickness, right? It's really buttery, as well as it's really moisturizing. Like if you can see, I have taken a little bit more, but if you will take it, like it will keep the moisture locked for the whole day. So I just love this moisture as well. Like if anyone is having really dry skin, so they can definitely check this out. And the price for this is also it's a little costly, that is 149, that is 1500 के आसपास है ये, but really it's worth buying it. And the quantity what you get is 115 grams. So this is it from my end, and if you have any questions or queries, please let me know in the comments. I'll be really happy to answer them. Thank you so much for watching me. Thank you once again.